Today in this video, we will learn how to create this login page form using React.js and Tailwind CSS. First, visit the website using the link in the description. Then, follow the exact steps shown in the video. Open the directory where you want to create your React app. Then type cmd to open the control panel. Then paste the code you have copied from Webbeast. You can see our project folder is created. Now wait until React app is created. Created folder using cd login page. After that, initialize Tailwind CSS. After that, in terminal write code dot to open VS Code. In index.css, copy the code like shown on the video, then paste it. Tailwind.config file, paste the code by simply copying it from website. Now copy and paste login.js code in login.js file that we have created. Now open the VS Code terminal and type npm start to start our React app. Congratulations, now your login page is ready. Now get the image you want to use in your login page. Rename it and add that image in public folder of Login React app. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video.